Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned C300 4MATIC. This one's iridium silver metallic. Under the hood's a 2-liter inline 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 255 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. Standard on the C-Class are front and rear LED daytime running lights. We've got 5-spoke alloy wheels, 18-inch. Tires are in good condition. A black MB text interior. Sunroof. Coming around back, we've got a rear spoiler, our C300 4MATIC badging, power tailgate, fresh set of floor mats, and all-season floor mats, fold-down rear seats. Coming along back here, plenty of space in the back here. This one does come with the Premium 1 package, which comes with blind spot assist, 64 color ambient lighting, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, power windows, illuminated door sill, heated steering wheel. Hopping in here, we've got our touchpad steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, a rear view backup camera, a nice wood trim, dual climate controls, a hard keys, a wireless charging port and USB port. We've got our cup holders, our command center with our dynamic selects. This vehicle has 5,951 miles. Carfax and service records are available. If you'd like to view more photos of the C-Class, check out feldmanimports.com.